Shalom, people of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Today na number 22 day for the month for June 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. Big news, the comot camp for America say General Tapang Ivan Tanku down win fat and win fatly against La République du Cameroon, the government of La République du Cameroon, after they done try for send arrest warrant through Interpol, say me then catch all activism for Southern Cameroon for abroad, in Owaka. Then try for lobby government them for America, send letter, use diplomacy, me then catch diaspora them, bring them back, me they can't kill them for Cameroon, in Owaka. Then now they don't decide for use one lawyer, we name na Emmanuel Salai, for go sue Mr. Tapang Ivo for court for crimes against terrorism. The same one way they try what leader them for Kangaroo Court for Yaoundé. That court case be seen like a case against the entire Ambazonia. They don't carry the case go for court. The judge then decide is chakara the case, throw him. Talks that case be useless. Inside that court case, the judge actually talks say Southern Cameroonians them then get right for demand justice and for demand their right for come out for La République du Cameroon. So this one a big shame for La République du Cameroon and their minister, them people like Atanganji Paul, where they be done promise, say they go catch all Southern Cameroonians where they never diaspora, send them for prison. They want to tell all Southern Cameroonians and say we'll get right for demand, we'll they within the law for demand for our independence, and we'll get right for ask our people then for fight war for defend ourselves against state-sponsored terrorism from La République du Cameroon. Now our right within the war for fight for defend ourselves and for liberate our territory and for protect the territorial integrity of the British Southern Cameroon. So make we match fire. The law is on our side. American court that endorse that our right for campaign and for support self-defense. Make we do them this time more than ever before. Still so for America. One their own parliamentarian where they call them na congressman. He named na Denny K. Davis. He done title some meeting where he call and say trouble in Southern Cameroon. A town hall meeting where he done put the date, say he go there on the 29th of June 2019. He invite all man, make the meet up for St. Joseph Church for Chicago, United States of America, for talk about the war where they go on for Southern Cameroon. Make all man way there for America, make them make sure say they go for that meeting. For Insa Amba, the caterpillar done finally arrive for America. The acting interim president of the interim government, its vice president, Mr. Yerima, done fire Chris Ano from the post of Secretary of State of Communication and IT. In an official letter where the vice president Senam, he talks a Chris Ano no talk on behalf of the interim government across our border for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigeria Nollywood superstar Stellas Damasus, he done join him up for ask for sorry heart for the international community regarding the situation for Southern Cameroon. He say me people then already get conscience for talk about the suffering way Southern Cameroonians they go through and for intervene for liberate the people them from the humanitarian crisis. For Insa Ambalan, La République du Cameroon, their media outlet, they still continue for promote La République their propaganda. Say our fighters of the British Southern Cameroon resistance forces of General Arike, they be kidnapped passenger the way they come off for whom the one come for Bamenda. FM News, newspaper them, shockingly, even including people the way they respect and like me for they carry this fake news. Them even go for the extent for talk say na La République du Cameroon their terrorist forces then be rescue those passengers them. Those passengers they no be ever be kidnapped. The resistant forces they be stop those vehicles them on the 19th where they work off a highway in violation of Ghost Town where be in place for support what leader the way they be take them go before court. Our soldiers they be intercept those convoy for vehicles them. During the search and interview of those passengers them, they be get intelligence say La République du Cameroon be force them, make them use that road against Ghost Town way they go on, and they want use them for push our four boys and make them come out for bush can attack them so that they go ambush them. Due to that intelligence, the soldier them move the passenger them say me them go back for whom through bush so that me they no be caught in the crossfire for their own security check. When I hear how the soldier they be treat the people them nicely, explain to them the reason why they be take the medium past for bush work our food go back for home.
They want to extract information from you. Yes. And that it will place me again for a more difficult position. This scenario, so thank God, so we never lost no one person. Either was soldier or was civilian, never lost no one.
Now General Arike that they talk for the passenger them. They explain and for them say they no go leave the mid and go back for the motor, then go collect their luggages them because it could put them in harm's way due to the soldier they become for can ambush them. Mobile phones the way they be collect them from the passengers them, they be return them all for them. Then we collect the mobile phones them for security purposes, for prevent them from giving out their location, and from La République du Cameroon for track any of them down. Back for the United States of America, as we be done tell now, there is a conspiracy for bring Southern Cameroonian them back for La République du Cameroon through Maurice Kamto. We believe say Maurice Kamto na French government their plan B for move Pobia, bring in like a solution for resolve our problem in a way where it could be acceptable by many. But we want make for remind Unamona understand Maurice Kamto a position regarding our quest for independence. When I listen for a political manifesto we be present and for an interview.
I am not against talking to secessionists. I have always said secession is not an option. I can talk with a secessionist just to try to convince him that it is in his best interest to come back to his mother country, to his fatherland, because his place is here and not out. But secession is not an option and will never be an option as far as I'm concerned. But I'm ready to talk with them to understand why they can come to ask for a secession of their country. We know that the root cause is, for some of them, the Bamenda Conference, the Fuman Conference, and so on. So we can go back and revisit the situation. But is it a solution for a country in crisis just to split into two parts? Just because we have maybe a government who is not, which is not listening to them?
Just a reminder. Yes, the root cause na a disregard of our status as a sovereign state and an independent people who required for them to get into a union treaty, but they be treat us like a part of their country where it be breakaway, which was wrong, illegal, and unacceptable. Our relationship with them can be best described as recolonialization. Now, back to America for which we will be the talk. The plan we will then explain them, describe them as the master plan of La République du Cameroon given to them by French government for Louis and Taiwi together with Maurice Kamto for facilitate us going back to La République du Cameroon by enablers and agents of La République du Cameroon is now taking shape. There is a call now, a big plan, a massive plan called Game Over Protest in the United States of America, where they call all the Southern Cameroonians and La République du Cameroonians, they can gather like Cameroonians them for the diaspora, for stage a big revolutionary march within a series of activity codenamed Game Over in Washington, D.C. tomorrow, Saturday, the 22nd of this month. Amongst the organizers of the march will be led by the Brigade Anti-Sardinat will be Eric Tato, the person we have always called an enabler and a double agent who is here to tie us with Maurice Kamto, is now fully participating in that march for them to march together as Cameroonians for a change in the political system. I go want to remind everybody, say, even though this problem and this revolution start off by the Coffin Revolution as a grievances and an explosion of grievances, we would not suffer them when as symbols them for the recolonialization of our territory. This revolution is about a war of independence. The people of the British Southern Cameroons wouldn't decide to wouldn't get enough, wouldn't decide to will be in the never again generation. We will never allow foreigners to rule our land and exercise our right of sovereignty. Just as the generation before us be decide to exercise that right of self-determination and withdraw from Nigeria, we have decided that the damage of the trust between both territories is irreparable. We have decided as a people who rise up on the 22nd and on the 1st of September and October respectively 2017 to say that we want to withdraw from that union. We want to reverse the plebiscite, and a proper declaration of restoration was made by Siseko Ayoktabi on the 1st of October 2017. The question now no be regime change. The question now no be the form of the state. The question now our right of self-determination for our population to have the opportunity to determine the political outlook of our territory and to effectuate the independence declaration by Siseko Ayoktabi. This is a war for independence. We call our people for remain vigilant, to remain smart, and not be lured to traps and conspiracy to take us back to Egypt. The Egyptians we see today, we do not want to see them tomorrow. May we hold grass, we stand strong, we stand together, as one people, all the country Sundays and the ghost town days, to declare our intention to the world that we want to separate from La République du Cameroon, and we want an independent Southern Cameroon state renamed Ambazonia. May our revolution be short. May our independence, freedom, and democracy in British Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia remain forever. God bless you now. So Capo Daniel signing off. Shalom, people of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Today na number 22 day for the month for June 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. Big news, the commot camp for America say General Tapang Ivor down win fat and win fatly against La République du Cameroon, the government of La République du Cameroon, after they done try for send arrest warrant through Interpol, say me then catch all activism for Southern Cameroon for abroad, Waka. Then try for lobby government them for America, send letter, use diplomacy, me then catch diaspora them, bring them back, me they can't kill them for Cameroon, Waka. Then now they don't decide for use one lawyer, we name na Emmanuel Salai, for go sue Mr. Tapang Ivor for court for crimes against terrorism. The same